I thought I'd show you an easy recipe for some comfort soup using wild mushrooms. And we're going to use cauliflower mushroom for this recipe, which is a absolutely delicious, nutty smelling mushroom. But you can do it with oyster mushrooms, chicken of the woods, hen of the woods. This is quick, it's easy, and it makes a lot of soup. So first thing you need to do, of course, turn on your burner, throw you a little bit of oil in it. It can be, in this case, garlic infused oil, olive oil, just, it's all up to you. It really doesn't matter. Let the oil get good and hot. And next, what you want to do is throw in about 2 cloves of minced garlic. And we'll let these brown for just a minute or two. Doesn't take long. And you can also add these in later if you wanted to. Or you can actually use smoked minced garlic from the store. Roasted garlic works really well. Once those get to browning like they're doing right there, take a little bit of, in this case, cauliflower mushroom. Easy to find under the base of pine trees this time of year, and they can actually get quite large. But in this case, we'll throw in about a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups. You can put as much of it in of this mushroom in as you want. And we'll throw this in and stir it around, just saute it and let it brown just a touch. And use every bit of it, just make sure it's clean. Aren't any real lookalikes, very safe. And it's a pretty good medicinal mushroom for its anti-tumor properties, it's antifungal, helps with the immune system, prevents strokes. It's an excellent mushroom to gather for both its edible and medicinal uses. And like most fall mushrooms, you can find lots of these things. So this is just a great way to eat it, get your food and get your medicine. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sizzling and they're quickly reducing down. So the next thing we do, and there's no particular order in this now, is get about 32 ounces, in this case, let me turn it around, beef broth. Your choice, any type of beef broth. You could use chicken stock or chicken broth if you wanted to. We'll just add that in there. One of the things I like about this recipe, it's so easy, and you can modify it to meet your own taste. Next, I'm going to turn this up just a touch. We'll add a dash of bone broth. That gives it a sort of a thick feel to it. Add about a 1/4 cup. You could actually do this recipe completely in bone broth if you chose to. Then we're going to add about 1/2 cup of dill sauce. Excellent for soups. Dash or 2 of Tabasco. This doesn't matter which one. Depends on how hot you like it. We'll do a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And last, you can make this without it, but I like to add it to it, is add in some frozen mixed vegetables or canned vegetables, whatever you've got on hand. In this case, for this amount, we'll add about 3 cups, somewhere around there. 3 or 4 cups. Makes it heartier. All you have to do now is just let this simmer about 20 minutes and you're done. Very easy recipe. Use it with any wild mushroom you've got just about. One little caution though is if you're working with mushrooms like cauliflower, chicken of the woods, etc., make sure that if you are working with amanita mushrooms, that you don't throw those in and make a soup, or it can make for a very interesting evening after supper. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. I know I'm going to.